कुर्तानगरी बेळगावचे प्रतिष्ठित क्रीज वाईज टेलरिंग, क्लॉथ आणि रेडीमेड्स गेल्या 40 वर्षापासून ग्राहकांना सातत्याने सेवा देत आहे. क्रीज वाईज टेलरिंग, क्लॉथ अँड रेडीमेड्स, गुणवत्ता आणि विश्वास हीच आमची शक्ती. खास लग्न सोहळ्यासाठी डिझायनर सूट, शेरवानी, फुल सूट, ब्लेझर, कुर्ता सेट, जोधपुरी ड्रेस मटेरियल्स, घागरा, लेडीज वेस्टर्न वेअर आणि लहान मुलांसाठी सर्व प्रकारचे कपडे उपलब्ध. आजच भेट द्या. क्रीज वाईज टेलरिंग, क्लॉथ अँड रेडीमेड, रामदेव गल्ली, खडे बाजार, बेळगाव. फोन 2463-516-420-6980.
दादा, साखरपुडा तर झाला, आता हे ठरवायचंय की नवरीचे कपडे कुठून घ्यायचे.
एका अटीवर.
काय आहे?
लग्नाचे कपडे ईशा मधूनच घ्यायचे.
आमच्या आवडीनिवडी किती मिळत्या जुळत्या आहेत. मला सुद्धा शेरवानी ईशातूनच घ्यायची आहे.
ईशा द वेडिंग मॉल. आनंदाची सुरुवात. साड्या, सूट, लेहंगा आणि मेन्सवेअर.
भेट वस्तू तर खूप मिळाल्या असतील तुला आज.
पण सगळ्यात महत्वाची भेटवस्तू काय मिळाली? ईशाचा आनंद.
ईशा द वेडिंग मॉल, महात्मा फुले रोड, शहापूर, बेळगाव. फोन 24699995.
पंचभाट मायणा कुडतरी कायदे खुट्याळाक लावन बिनधास्त दोंगर बेकायदेशीर कापप चल्ला. थंयचे लोक चळवल्यात. राना खातें, फ्लायिंग स्क्वॉड, पुलीस, TCP धरून उपजिल्लोधिकाऱ्या मेरेन कागाळ पावयली, मात कारवाय जायना म्हणून लोक बोवाळ मारता. ह्या प्लॉटांत खंय पंचायतीचे 25 हामील आसात म्हणून लोकांचो आरोप.
आता एक केले, आता एक म्हयनो जावपा आयलो. आतां हें काडटाय ते. लास्ट टायम तांकां थोडे हांगा लोक येवन थोडे बंद करूंक लायले. एक 5 दीस बंद करताय, मागीर परते आनको स्टार्ट करताय.
गव्हर्नमेंट इज डायरेक्टली रिस्पॉन्सिबल. गव्हर्नमेंट जबाबदार आसा हाका, कित्याक सगळे कायदे जाग्यार आसात आनी लोकांनी 5 खेपे तरी नाल्यार 10 खेपे तरी गव्हर्नमेंटा आपयला. फ्लायिंग स्क्वॉड, फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट सगळ्यांक आपयल्यात, पूण कोणी एक्शन घेवपाक तयार नात. आनी ह्या भशेन सगळे साश्टी, वेर्णा वच, सगळे कडेन वच, दोंगर कापपाचे फूल स्विंग चालू आसा. एक म्हयन्या भितर आता पावस 15-20 दिसां भितर पावस येतलो आनी पावसात हो दोंगर सगळो कोसळून सकल पडटलो. आनीकी डिस्ट्रक्शन जातले. सकल गावात फ्लड येवपाचे चान्सेस आसात.
Hill cutting has become a business for some businessmen. With the help of panchayat,
गव्हर्नमेंट काय तो करता आनी गव्हर्नमेंट मोडटा. हे गव्हर्नमेंटान आडावपाचे, पूण गव्हर्नमेंटा मनीस एक बुसा पावलो ना.
आमी तांकां पुलिसाक कंप्लेन दिली, कलेक्टराक कंप्लेन दिली आनी TCPक कंप्लेन दिली. कांय एक्शन चलना. म्हणटकीर आज हांवें डिसिजन घेयलें, बाबा हिंगा सगळ्यांनी एकठांय मेळोन एक घेराव घालया म्हूण.
पावची न्ही तेणी हें सगळें उदक आमगे घरां बोतो मुरी हाल्या. आमगे घरान पेद्रीनांगे गोट एश सगळीं तेंकोन आहाय ती. तें उदक सामकें अशें वयता तें देंवन वयता. तें मातशें तुमी कितें उपाय कोन्न दोंगर मातशें वय बंद करपाचो.
हो प्रकार चडार पडिल्ल्यान उपजिल्लोधिकारी आणि जिल्लोधिकाऱ्याकडे उलोवपाचे आमदार अलेक्स रेजिनाल्ड लॉरेन्सान थारायला.
You cannot cut the hill anyhow. Any hill has to be cut with a certain amount of system. And per se, people have an objection here. So I think I will speak to the deputy collector. I will speak to the collector also that we should not allow them to cut.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सावयो डायस.
साळगांवकार फुटबॉल क्लबाक अंदूच 60 वर्सां जाली. हो ह्या वास्कोच्या क्लबाचो डायमंड जुबली कालखंड आता फुटप्रिंट्स इन द सँड बुकांत अजरामर जाला. शुक्रारा ह्या पुस्तकाचे पणजे उक्तावण जालें. क्लबाचो अध्यक्ष शिवानंद साळगांवकार आनी आदले फुटबॉलर सुवाळ्याक आशिल्ले.
I feel very nostalgic when I see all the players, all my former players, but lot more when I see Kandu, Alkant, Alisab, these 3 names, because they were my childhood heroes. As a child, when I was maybe 10 years old, I used to see them play. There was no forward who could get past Alkant.
It's a good opportunity for me to thank my boss Shivanand for giving me opportunity to play with Salonkas, my secretary Sabrito. The most important thing I cannot forget is Sir Leopold, who brought discipline in the club. which was the most important thing for us. I think so. If he was here, we should give him a round of applause. I think so. Lastly, not forgetting, the most important thing for us in Salgonkas was the unity of the Goans, which we Goans footballers played and brought the name up. The unity among the senior players, Derek, Lawrence, Brahmanan, who were there with me in 1989, the first year when I joined Salonkas and brought the Federation Cup back to Goa. And silencing the East Bengal club at the Salt Lake Stadium, where 131,000 supporters were there at the Salt Lake Stadium.
It was in 1956, Papa, whom we popularly used to call him, he rolled the ball. I was just 2 years old. And I came to the fold of the club in 1974. I knew on the way, Anand Bab took the responsibility of allowing to roll the ball forward, and that's how we have reached today. I recall with great nostalgia the happy days I have spent with Salgonkas.
Marcus, you've done a remarkable job, as everyone will see. Thank you so much. And Mario too has done a great job in editing. Welcome and thank you.
उदेंत्या खेळगड्यांक फुटबॉलाची ओढ लागपाक कोचिंगांत चड सिरियस गजाली शिकोवचे परस तांकां जाय तशें ग्रावंडार खेळूंक दिवप म्हत्वाचें म्हूण FC गोवाचो तांत्रिकी संचालक कॅट्स नायडू म्हणटा. म्हयनोभर चलिल्लें FC गोवा सोशल स्किल्स शिबीर शुक्रारा सोंपलें. पिलारच्या शिबिरांत गोंयभरच्या भुरग्यांक सोशल स्किल्स प्रशिक्षण दिल्लें.
Our social skills program is something that FC Goa realized that many of the children weren't part of our program, and our development director was approached to start a camp of some sort. Together with our marketing and team and the operations department and consultation with the technical team, we have come up with this program, which has proved to be a huge success in the sense that you can see from the laughter, the noise, and whatever is taking place here, it's about having fun. And basically our philosophy is not really coaching. We believe in let the children learn to play by playing. And that's our big scheme of things. And I can only see this thing getting bigger and better because most of the kids want to know what's next now. So basically it's a philosophy that we have taken from the streets that was in existence many years where the great superstars have come from. We want to continue with the same kind of vein. Players only start learning to play when they get to 14 and 15. So basically, this social program is basically about fun and enjoyment and trying getting kids to get involved in some form of team sport. It's also a social exercise, meaning that they can meet other children and intermix and that kind of thing. And above all, from a coaching point of view, it's not so much about skill. It's more about cognitive skills, learning from certain actions.
Only one in the defense area, and there are many, there are two people and 2v1. So then what do you do that time? There'll be like pressurizing on the keeper and...
So it depends on which part of the field they are.
So if it's in the center.
Center. So it's like the goal. Yeah, so it's like mostly I try to close down the attacker and the goalkeeper needs to guide me which angle to block. So he will take one side of the goal, I'll try to block the other side. So that's why it's easier. So if this is the goal, the man is over here, so the goalkeeper will tell me right. So I'll block this side. So if he shoots in that angle, the goalkeeper is good. So we need to communicate and then sort it out. Yeah.
हे खबराचित्र हांगाच सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंटाच्या वेबसायटीचेरूय लायव्ह पळोवंक मेळटा. नमस्कार.